Hey there, this is Anthony from InstantAPI.ai here today to show you our no-code web scraping Google Chrome extension. Scraping truly never has been easier, and in this case, I'm going to scrape out all of the desk lamps within this retailer's website. It'll handle all things like pagination, as well as scraping out all the details that I want from each product. All I have to do is open the extension and describe the objectives, in which case it's already remembered what I had typed in. I want it to get all products. Also, I've asked it to get the product name, the brand name, image URL, product URL, the price, and whether it's on sale. I've told it that I want it to get multiple results, which is something that basically makes it look for additional pages to scrape more and more desk lamps from these listing pages. And our API key, which you can get from our website. But again, this extension will be out in a couple of days. So maybe hold your horses until then and hit run scrape. So here we can see it's saying that it's scraping pages. And what that's doing is looking at the result here, finding our next page, which you can see it just did. It's moved on to page 2. And now it's moved on to page 3. And this is all using AI, by the way. There's no DOM manipulation, XPath. You don't have to select elements, tell it what to do, how to do it. Just what is your objective and what are we trying to actually extract? And here you can see it's actually reached the last page, and it'll try to see if there is any other products on any further page, but there isn't. We got 0 results there. And it's now returned us back to the original desk lamp page, and you can see in the status just here, it's saying extracting data 1 of 4 completed. That means 1 of 4 completed already. So we just need to wait until each of these pages data has been fully extracted. It can take, on average, maybe about a minute or so per page. But it is doing this all at the same time, up to 10 pages at a time. So we won't be waiting, like 8 minutes or something like that. Instead, we're just going to wait a couple of minutes at most. And at the end of this process, once each of the pages has been fully extracted with each of the data fields or attributes that I've requested here, it's going to automatically populate a CSV file. And that CSV file will have each of these data fields or attributes in a header, and then row by row, each of the desk lamps that it managed to extract from the website. Now, one little caveat is we don't always have, like a retailer doesn't always have data. So, for instance, brand name, like not every single lamp here may actually have a brand name. And any other attributes you're trying to pick up out of the page. And if that's the case, it's fine. It won't fail. It'll just scrape what it can from that product. So you'll still get the product name, image URLs, product URLs, whatever there is, just not, it'll just be blank on those other values. So here we can say that it's finished and that it's in our downloads folder. So I'll just click OK, look in my downloads, and here we are. We now have each of the desk lamps that was scraped from that site, brand names where there are brand names, the image URL, product URL, prices, and whether it's on sale. Has worked perfectly. And you can see also from a prior scrape I did, just to show you how extensible it is, I actually scraped from this same retailer all of their rugs actually it was free shipping rugs. And I think there's something like 20 pages or so of products. So we got down to about 945 products, and it took all up under 5 minutes. Anyway, thanks for watching and look out for us soon.